Today I'm taking a look at the 3-in-1 door alarm from Fridggi. And this is great if you want to put an alarm on your door to let you know when someone comes through or if the door has been opened, or if you want to put this on your fridge. So if somebody leaves the fridge or freezer door open, it alerts you so you don't waste power. It's very easy to set up. There's two pieces. There's this piece that goes on the door itself, and then we've got this little magnetic piece. And as long as these two arrows are aligned, the alarm's not going to go off. So you can see this goes on the door frame, this goes on the door. It's battery powered, so it's super easy to set this up wherever you want to. And then it's got the little chime on there. And you've got multiple options for this. So again, you can have it chime when it opens. For example, if you're putting this on your front door, you want to know if someone comes in the door. It's great for a small business to alert you if a customer walks in the door. But there's also a function where you can do a timer. So I have a 30 seconds option here. You can also do a 10-second timer, a 1-minute timer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this door. And in the meanwhile, I'll show you there's some little switches on the side here. You use these to set the timer. And also there's multiple options for the tone. You can see my door is open now. Now 30 seconds after I open the door, if I don't close it again, see these things have separated, the door to the garage is open, you'll hear this chime will go off to let me know that the door has been left open and I need to go and close it there. But again, configurable, you can do a shorter timer, you can do a longer timer, or you can have it just immediately chime. So there we go, it's gonna chime and let me know, hey, the door is left open, and then I know I just need to go ahead and close that. The only thing I don't like about this is I'd like to have an option where it would continuously chime when the door has been left open. You have to actually hear that it chimed and come and close the door. It'd be nice to have one that would just go off continuously, maybe every 10 seconds or something until the door was closed. But certainly, it's useful to have that. It's a little bit louder, I would say, in person, so you really can hear it. I find across my house I can hear if the door has been left open. And it, overall works great for the purpose that I needed it for, which is just knowing if the garage door here has been mistakenly left open.